Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both files and the connection. Open the Excel workbook and make sure the header row is clean and each column uses a single data type. This avoids import errors. Then open the Sharepoint list to verify column names, types, and any lookup or choice fields you must map. Once done, switch to Excel's Data tab and choose Get Data from Sharepoint or launch Power Query. This first actionable step creates a reliable connection to start updating records. Next, transform and map your data so SharePoint accepts it. In Power Query, filter out unwanted rows, trim whitespace, and set each column's data type. Add or compute a unique key that matches SharePoint's item ID or another stable identifier. Then map Excel columns to SharePoint fields, converting choice text into the list's accepted values or lookup ID and formatting dates correctly. Once mapped, load either to a table for manual export or prepare the query for Power Automate to perform. Finally, push the updates and verify results. Choose Export Table to SharePoint for simple writes, create a Power Automate flow to patch items using your unique key, or call the SharePoint API for advanced control. Test with a small batch first and confirm modified timestamps and user fields update as expected. If something goes wrong, check column data types, list permissions, and duplicate or missing keys. Then fix the source rows and rerun only the failed batch to avoid overwriting valid data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.